Are you looking for the best digital calipers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best digital calipers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Preciva FRDM 730002 Digital Vernier Calipers. Preciva make a huge range of handy products from soldering stations to expandable garden hoses. They also make one of the best inexpensive digital calipers I've tested out. Preciva's motto is "We offer precise value," and I agree. The FRDM 730002 Digital Vernier Calipers are incredibly accurate and completely affordable. Made from stainless steel, they weigh in at 386 grams. The weight helps to give them an air of quality, even if it's a bit biased towards the readout end. The sliding action is completely smooth and well machined. There are no rough patches to interfere with taking measurements. I like the fact that these calipers are rated to IP54 protection levels. That means it's protected against water and dust ingress. The sensitive electronics could otherwise be damaged in a harsh engineering environment. What makes this one of the best digital calipers out there is the enormous LCD screen. It makes reading the measurements a piece of cake, especially if your eyesight isn't great. I like the little knurled metal grip underneath the screen section as well. It makes it easy to slide the jaws open and closed. Up next in the fourth place is the Mitutoyo 500-19630 Digital ABS AOS Caliper Thumb RWO output. Mitutoyo are the first name in digital calipers and are based in Japan's industrial heartland of Kawasaki. Considered the makers of some of the best digital calipers around, the ones I tried out certainly live up to their good name. The stainless steel construction was as you would expect from these Mitutoyo digital calipers. Precision machining and grinding of all metal parts are incredibly accurate. Both sets of jaws come together without any gaps or movement at all. The fine adjustment wheel is well knurled and can be locked easily to keep a measurement. Because they use an electromagnetic ABS encoder, the Mitutoyo 500-19630 digital caliper isn't thrown off by the presence of dirt during measurement. The signal on the electronic caliper is not affected by oil, water, or other substances when in use. This really makes a difference when taking vernier caliper accuracy seriously. The included hard case is of top quality, and the battery life of 180,000 hours is backed up with spare batteries inside. Included with all genuine Mitutoyo products are calibration certificates signed by the manufacturer. The third product on our list is the eCynic Waterproof 6 Digital Vernier Caliper. Electronics brand eCynic make an interesting range of gadgets and safety devices. Included are their surprisingly high-quality LATTL 528 waterproof digital calipers. Made from tough stainless steel, it's guaranteed to be protected from water and dust ingress. I like the fact that the whole measuring tool is stainless steel. There aren't any weak plastic bits that might fall off after the first knock or drop, so it's an ideal workshop companion. There are the 3 expected measurement modes to choose from: metric, imperial with decimals, and fractions. I'm happy to report that eCynic have included the all-important zero function as well, so you can compare readings easily. This is a well-thought-out digital caliper that comes in a quality blow-molded case. But what makes it the best digital caliper kit is what comes with it. You get a whole set of useful feeler gauges as well. They'll come in handy for checking the accuracy of the calipers and for all sorts of engineering jobs. Second on our list is the DML 150mm 6-inch Digital Vernier Caliper. A Sheffield-based UK specialist in handheld metrology is Digital Micrometers Limited. They produce a wide range of precision instruments for industrial, automotive, electrical, and DIY applications. Their DML 6-inch Digital Vernier Caliper is one of the best budget measuring tools available right now. The internal and external measurement jaws on this digital vernier caliper are well machined and close together accurately. The depth gauge is small enough to get into tight spaces as well. I'm looking for the best vernier caliper, so the DML Digital Vernier Caliper is more than suited for the task. One of the features I like is the big screen that makes looking at the readouts very easy in most lights. It's convenient without making the calipers too bulky. There's a built-in reference point that stores the last position when powered off as well. Finally, the top product on our list is the iGaging 100-333 8B6 IP54 electronic digital caliper. Based in San Clemente, USA, iGaging are one of the most respected measuring tool firms out there, part of the International Precision Instruments Corporation. They know a thing or two about making the best digital calipers. The iGaging 100-333 8B electronic digital caliper is a seriously solid and well-made tool. The hardened stainless steel body is precision machined to move smoothly and accurately. The jaws are sharp and come together with a solid feel you get from quality design and engineering. The display is large enough to be easy to read but doesn't make the caliper too heavy on one end. You can cycle through metric measurement and imperial with both decimals and fractions of an inch, and it displays the results to 4 decimal places, essential for the finest precision. I like the fact that these calipers come with a certificate of calibration as well. It's the attention to detail like this that elevates a good set of calipers to the best calipers available for the price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.